Hello, my dear students. This is Surbhi Agrawal, and today I will be teaching you GK. Our today's topic is famous tennis players. But firstly, if you have not subscribed our channel, subscribe it, like and share the videos, and press the bell icon for the further notifications. So let's start. Before coming to our topic, firstly, let's discuss about tennis. Tennis is a sport which is played all over the world at national and international level. All you need for this sport is a ball, racket, and net. You can see in this picture you need this ball, this type of racket, and a net. Okay, you can see this in the another picture also. You need this long net. Okay, so this game was invented by Major Walter Wingfield, and in which year? 1873. Okay, it's a long time. Okay, so in 1873 this game was invented by Major Walter Wingfield. Now let's come to the main part. Now here we will discuss about some of the famous tennis players all over the world. Okay, there are many famous tennis players all over the world. So in this video we will learn about some of them. So first one here is Roger Federer. He is from Switzerland. Okay, he is a very famous tennis player and he is from Switzerland. He has won 20 Grand Slam singles title and is ranked number 4th in men's singles tennis. Okay, he is at number 4th position and he is a very famous tennis player, has won 20 Grand Slam singles title. Okay, now the next here is Serena Williams. She is from USA. Okay, Serena Williams is from USA. She is an American professional tennis player and is former world's number 1 in women's singles tennis. Okay, she is the world's number 1 women's singles tennis player because she has won 23 Grand Slam singles title. Okay, now third is Sania Mirza. As you all know, many of you have heard about her. Tell me how many of you have heard about her, Sania Mirza? Very good. She is the Indian tennis player. Okay, she is a very famous Indian tennis player. She is also world's number 1 tennis player and has won 6 Grand Slam titles in her career. Next is Rafael Nadal. He is from Spain. Remember this, where he is from? He is a Spanish professional tennis player. He is from Spain and is ranked number 2 in men's tennis, singles tennis, as he has won 19 Grand Slam tennis singles title. Okay, remember the countries. Okay, you have to remember the countries. From which country do these tennis players belong from? Okay, so Rafael Nadal belongs from Spain. He has won 19 Grand Slam singles title. Now, next one is Novak Djokovic. He is from Serbia. Okay, which country he belongs from? Serbia, and he is the number 1 tennis player. He is ranked number 1 in men's singles tennis. He has won 17 Grand Slam singles title and many more rewards other than these. Remember the name Novak Djokovic. He is from Serbia. Now, next is Maria Sharapova. She is from Russia. Okay, remember the country. She is from Russia. She has won 5 Grand Slam singles title and she has won Olympic silver medalist. Okay, she is Olympic silver medalist. She has won this medal in 2012. In 2012 the Olympics were held in London. Okay, so in London she has won the silver medal. Okay, now next is Venus Williams. As you remember, here we have discussed about Serena Williams. So Serena Williams and Venus Williams, they both are sisters. Okay, Venus Williams is the elder sister of Serena Williams, and these both sisters are from USA. Venus Williams has won 16 Grand Slam singles title and 14 Grand Slam women's doubles title. Okay, and the last one is Mahesh Bhupati. Any guesses? He belongs from which country? Yes, he belongs from India. Okay, he is also an Indian professional tennis player. In 1997, he has become the first Indian to win a Grand Slam tournament. Okay, so he was the first Indian to win the Grand Slam title from India. Okay, so have you all understood? Now, I have one small activity for you. Do it along with me. Match these players to their countries. Okay, here I have given the name of some players and here I have mentioned the country, so you have to match them correctly. Simple one. So first one is Rafael Nadal. He's from which country? He's from Spain. Very good. Next is Maria Sharapova. She's from which country? Very good, Russia. Third one is Venus Williams. Tell me, which country do she belongs from? She's from USA. Very good. Now only two are left, Caroline Wozniacki and Mahesh Bhupati. This Caroline Wozniacki is new to you. She is also a very famous tennis player. And from which country does she belong? Denmark or India? She is from Denmark. As we have learned, Mahesh Bhupati is from India. Okay, so there are many more famous tennis players all over the world. You will learn about them in few time. Thank you.